Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the new Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. I'm going to be starting with the shade Unstoppable, and it is like a neon pink. So we're going to go ahead and take a blending brush and we're going to be applying that all over our crease. This shade, you guys, it's super nice and it's very blendable. I thought this was gonna make a mess, honestly. The only thing I didn't like, but I mean, this happens a lot with so many palettes. These red or pink shades, they always stain your eyelids. So after you remove your makeup, you have like that light pink on your lid, even if you scrubbed and cleaned and everything, and it's still there, it's stained. So this is one of those eyeshadows that stains a little bit after you try to remove it. But yeah, that's the only thing. Other than that, this eyeshadow color is perfect. Next, I'm going to be going in with this shade called Warning Label. Okay, so this shade, you guys, is very, very pretty. It's a darker pink. The one that I used first was a neon pink. This one's like a darker pink. And it's so, so pretty. It's so easy to blend. So this shade is a darker pink. And let me say that this one is also one of my favorite shades on this palette so far. So for those of you that haven't checked it out, I have another video using this palette. So if you go back a video after watching this one, you guys can see another tutorial with brown shades actually. So yeah, you guys, I really do recommend this palette. After all, it does retail for only $25 plus tax, so it's affordable. Next, I'm going in with this shade called Hypnotic. And this is a very, very, very dark color, actually. It's like a burgundy. I want to say it's like a burgundy. And this shade, I thought it was going to make a mess, honestly, because those dark shades usually get all patchy and weird. But no, this one actually blended out very smoothly. And I was very happy with the results. So yeah, let's go ahead and blend this all over our outer corner. Next, I'm going to be going in with my matte concealer. You guys can use whichever one you guys wish to. And I'm going in with my concealer brush and I'm just going to do a light cut crease. And we're going to lightly tap on our lid just so we can, I think it's easier. I don't know about you guys if you guys have your own, tips and tricks. But for me, it's easier if I tap the product on there because it helps me have more control over the brush. So I'm gonna tap my way in there and create that cut crease. Now the only reason why I'm even doing a cut crease is because I wasn't too confident about the shade I'm about to use, and it's called Come Alive. It's like a lime green. It's more like a neon green. So that is the reason why I did this, because I was scared to apply it just without concealer, and then what if I ruined my makeup look. So I was like, no, I'm not gonna risk it. So I applied some concealer just so I could be on the safe side. Just a little tip, I like to use my finger to take off a little bit of concealer on the outer corner of it, just because I want the other shade to blend out perfectly with that green shade, and I don't want it to get all patchy. So I'm going to be going in with that shade. What was it called? Come Alive. And oh my god, you guys, this shade is so pigmented. Although I am glad I used a concealer, but I wanted to be on the safe side. But yes, it is very pigmented and it's so pretty. As you guys can see, it's applying so easily. Next, I'm going back in with the shade Hypnotic just so that I can blend that out with the green. Next, I'm taking that fluffy brush that I used in the beginning with the shade Unstoppable, but I'm not going to grab any product. I'm just going to use whatever is left over to blend out those colors together and to get the smokier effect, of course. Next, I'm going to be using this glitter from Urban Decay, and I'm going to be applying a line above the green and only up to where the green ends. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Max Volume Mascara from Wet n Wild, and I'm only going to be applying a light coat on the top lashes. Next, I'm going back in with the shade Unstoppable, and I'm going to be applying that all over my lash line. After that, I'm going to be applying the shade Warning Label right on top of the shade Unstoppable. After that, I'm going to be applying just a little bit of the shade Hypnotic, not too much so that it's not too dark. And I'm going to be blending that out all over my lash line. And finally, I'm going to be using the shade Unstoppable, but with no product, just using the brush, whatever's left over on there. And we're going to use that to blend those colors out. Next, I'm applying my lashes with my duo glue. I'm not sure what these are called, you guys. Like I said in my previous video, these were my everyday lashes for like about a month. They've lasted this long, and I don't know what the name is, but I'll figure it out and I will try to link it down below. I'm gonna do my research and find them. But yeah, you guys can use whatever lashes you guys wish to use. Now I'm going to be applying some mascara on my lower lashes, and I'm honestly running out of mascara already, so I'm going to have to go buy a new one. Let me know if you guys recommend a specific mascara down below in the comments. I'm trying to try something new, so yeah guys, give me your advice. Now I'm going to be going in with my Italia Deluxe eyeliner, and I'm going to be applying this only on my waterline. Next, I'm going to be applying my Italia Deluxe lip liner, and it is in the shade Chocolate. For this video, I'm going to be using a Natural Born Stunner lip gloss from the collection by Morphe, and I'm going to be using the shade Vibes. And this color is super pretty. It's like a nude lip gloss. This is what it looks like. And it's so easy to apply. It's very thin. It doesn't feel thick or gooey or sticky. So I do recommend these lip glosses. I know that they cost a little bit more than the palette, I believe, but they're so worth it. And for the finishing touch, I'm going to be using my bronzer from NARS. And I'm going to be applying this on my cheekbones and my forehead and a little bit on my jawline. This is just an extra clip of me putting my hair up with a clip just so that my makeup isn't just done and my hair is all over the place. So I let go of some of my bangs and I simply put my hair up in a clip and that was it. This is a full tutorial for the new Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.